Get ready to meet the 2026 Fiat 124 Spider, a roadster that blends modern Italian design with the spirit of classic roadsters. Let's dive into its stunning aesthetics, powerful engine, refined interior, and what makes it stand out in the modern convertible lineup. Starting at the front, the Fiat 124 Spider is an elegant and aggressive car. The bold hexagonal grille is flanked by sharp LED headlights with distinctive circular DRLs, giving it a retro yet futuristic appeal. The hood has subtle contours that emphasize the sportiness without overpowering the design. Moving to the rear, the 124 Spider becomes even more striking. The taillights feature a circular LED design that is reminiscent of classic Fiat DNA but with a high-tech twist. Down below, a quad exhaust system is encased in a carbon fiber diffuser, giving the car a race-ready feel. Under the hood, the 2026 Fiat 124 Spider doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, which produces 300 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. Equipped with a lightweight body, this engine ensures thrilling acceleration and razor-sharp handling. The car is rear-wheel drive, staying true to its roadster roots. Stepping inside, the 124 Spider exudes luxury and modernity. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather with orange stitching that matches the exterior accents. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, offering excellent support for spirited driving. A 10.2-inch infotainment screen dominates the center console, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Fiat's custom-made driving performance app. The 2026 Fiat 124 Spider is a masterpiece that blends style, performance, and modern features. Whether you're cruising along the coastline or through winding mountain roads, this car promises an exhilarating experience that stays true to its iconic heritage. If you're looking for a roadster that turns heads and delivers thrills, this is the car for you. What do you think of the 2026 Fiat 124 Spider? Would you choose this as your next convertible? Share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting car reviews.